Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to AppCoder. I am Satyendra and today I'm going to discuss one of the most used component in Swift UI, that is Spacer. So what is Spacer? Spacer is a built-in Swift UI view that is used to create flexible empty space within a container. It automatically expands to take up as much as space as possible within its parent container. It is useful for creating layout for adjust dynamically to the available space, often used to controlling the alignment and distribution of the other views. Let me show you an example. With the help of that example, you'll get better knowledge how spacer works. Spacer is an invisible view. It doesn't show anything on the screen, but takes up space. Okay, let me create HStack first. Inside this HStack, I'm going to use text. Okay, I'm going to make like left and right one. As you can see, we have two text inside this HStack, left or right. But what if I need this left on this leading space and right to trailing space? What we can do? Padding will fails here. We can add a spacer between them. So that's the real work of a spacer. It will create a flexible, invisible space within this container. In this HStack, we have space available on left side and right side as well. When we added this spacer, it takes that space and push that text to left and right. What if we have to do the same inside the VStack? We can do the same. Okay, yeah, we can uh, we can make a text inside this HStack. Just named it top, and one more is bottom. Okay, what if we need to do the same operation what we have done with the HStack? We can use the same spacer in between them. Now, as you can see, this text going up and this is going to bottom, and we have a fixed space between those texts. So why spacer is important? Without spacer, layout feels hard, manual padding fails, UI break on different screens. When placed inside a Z stack or H stack or V stack, it forces the other views to align and adjust based on the space it occupies. We can make a fixed size spacer as well. We can assign a frame, and inside that frame, so it's a vertical stack, so it will take height inside that. Okay, we can do a fixed height. We can give a fixed height. As you can see, I have given 100 height here, so it will take 100 space in this container. If I do with the width, it will fail because VStack is not working on width. VStack have height available inside this frame, so it will not work. It will take the spacer default size if we do the same. So we can give height inside the VStack, but what if we can do same inside the edge stack? Okay, let's give the same spacer here. It's also not working because it's in HStack. HStack will take the width, not height modifier. So if I'm going to change width here, then it will work. As you can see inside this left or right text, we have available space within with the width of 100. Spacer might look small, but it's one of the most powerful layout tools in SwiftUI. Practice using it with stacks and your layouts will start looking much better. If you enjoy this video, do like and subscribe for more SwiftUI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.